Hey everyone, my name's Kyle Frame, and this is going to be my graduate with honors project, more so focused around React. So with this one, I kind of I have a bit of a history of working in the um, movie theater business, as any high schooler in the past may have done as their first job. So I've wanted to kind of make a project that would, type in a um, type in a movie title. We'll just do something like, oh, I don't know, let's do Avatar. Just do Avatar. See that we get Avatar the movie, but also, and this was one of the surprises I found when I was doing this project. Um, Not only did I just get movies, but it also gave me things like TV series, whether it be animated or live action. It even gave me some video games, which was pretty neat. Um, and one of the things that was kind of tricky for me to implement, just because I'm not too familiar with it, was working working with APIs. Now, I don't know if this one was necessarily um, the best one to use. It was just one that I had come across that seemed to have been recommended a decent bit of times. But what I found to be a problem was that some of the images that I would get, such as this one at the bottom, were kind of stretched and pixelated. We'll do Spider Man as another example. This one's kind of funny. You'll see you'll see ones like Italian Spider-Man, which is pretty nifty. Some of the ones that didn't have any kind of image content, I actually just kind of made made up a little image line for that. So if there's no kind of image, I just kind of get that 400 by 400 card at that color. But but as you can see with this Spider-Man image, not exactly sure which one that is, but I thought that was kind of one of the funny little quirks with this API that I had tagged along in. Um, and the API stuff was a little tricky to get around, or at least just to work with. Initially, this one was just going to be for movies and whatnot, but once I did find out accidentally that it did come with movies and you know TV series such as Friends, and even something like video games pulls up, which is pretty nifty. Um, so yeah, just something to type in type in any kind of movie that you might that you might think of, and pulls them up. Probably one of the next thing I'll do, um, once I get a bit more familiar with coding and whatnot, is maybe, oh, let's see more about this one. I'm probably going to try and implement something where you click it, it'll pull up a little info window or something along those lines, and just kind of see all the different, the cast members, a little plot to the movie, just kind of things like that. Um, but bunch of different websites definitely helped me with figuring out the API deal and how those get integrated, and even one of my friends who's completed this course before, and whatnot. So yeah, that's the bulk of this project. Kind of kind of simple. A lot of the code was CSS for sure, but it's pretty neat with React that code that's not even collectively 100 lines long, and then adding some CSS can turn into a fully functional app such as this. So thank you.